We are at our new Airbnb. We just left the one that we accidentally rented a private room instead of the full Airbnb. We got the kitchen. We got outside with the pool, a solid bathroom, solid room, and we can finally cook some decent meals. Our first breakfast in a while, because eating here has been expensive as hell.
Fruit, the pineapple and
Some passion fruit, maracuja,
passion fruit.
I think maracuja or maracuja, something like that. That's how they say it here. Finally, some space.
We got a nice little breakfast going. Some acai with granola, eggs.
With salami, spinach, and some random ass cheese that we don't really know what it is.
We didn't cook in the last place because there was way more carnival activities going on, but now we have some free time for this.
If we don't get it, we're gonna just find something different. So the beauty of travel and not planning ahead. It happens far too often.
Não sei, mas eu creio que passa assim. Vamos lá.
So I will just point out that this was a complete failure.
Total bust.
We got up to the place to buy the tickets and the line was very extensive to say the least. So we're not about to do the whole wait in the line for 3 hours thing, and we will try again another day, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. We messed up pretty big on the yesterday, so today we are getting up for sunrise. We got up for sunrise. It's 4:30 in the morning, just grabbing our stuff for a little 4:30 in the morning sunset mission. Took the shots because yesterday we did not. We went to 3 different spots for sunset. 4 actually, the first 3 failed. So we are going to grab an Uber, grab our acai, the Red Bull, and get on out. We went to bed at 12:30 and it's 4:30 right now. So we basically took a nap.
Exactly.
And we're gonna go get Lee right now and get it going. So we just got done with some droning. We've been here since 5 in the morning. It's like 6:20 now, and definitely successful. Obviously didn't take any videos because occupied, but we've been swarmed by bugs for the past hour and a half, and it was worth every second of it. Just great back at Christ the Redeemer. This time we got here before anybody else. We got our tickets and we're about to get the first trip over to the statue and be some real tourists. We got the drone footage, now time to get a selfie with Jesus himself. The time is now. So just a little tip, being that we tried to come for sunset and now we were here for the opening, there's literally nobody here. So if you want to go to Christ the Redeemer and you don't want to wait in line, it opens at 8. Definitely go at 8 instead of in the evening. Every language. Another tip. They offer van transport from 3 places, but we decided to do was, instead of go from Copacabana or Lago Machado, we took an Uber. Only really works if you have 3 people, but we took an Uber that cost 25, 30 reais, and then paid 30 reais each for the ticket. So when you do that, it actually equals out to about 40 reais per person instead of the 70 that they charge you, or 80 during the high season. So in my opinion, the best way to do it. Bom dia. Bom dia. Obrigado. What a view, mate. Bom dia. Bom dia. We made it. And this is why I say come at 8 a.m. because at 6 p.m. it would be 100 times worse. This is the first trip up here. Bless you. Pretty damn big. It's also always interesting to watch how many selfies are being taken and how many GoPro videos that will never be used or seen again. Ciao. Realistically, we need about 5 minutes right here.
We just went down this hill that was full of potholes, just made of stone, and he slept right through it. We've arrived at the library. Interesting thing about this library, you can't take any of the books. Can't touch them.
We just dodged about 50 selfie sticks and not even having an opportunity to get myself a picture at about time. Just the absolute worst.
Barely got our pictures hit. They're gonna be there a while. We all know how the that demographic is when it comes to tourism. Let's go catch some of these waves. We're here at Ipanema. There's a lot of people.
We're about to get this body surfing in. Catch some waves. Couldn't catch that one. We are heading off to Sapucaí, Sambadrome, to the famous parade. It's the last day, the Champions Parade. We spent the past couple days chilling at the beach, kind of relaxing a bit after the Carnaval parties and whatnot. So we are going to have some fun, go to see the real experience, what you see on TV and all those things. So we are very excited and we're about to go take off for a few hours and enjoy it. See you there. All right, we're going in. So if you're like me, I'm assuming most of you have never eaten a passion fruit by itself before. So I'm about to cut one open to show you guys what it looks like. This is really interesting. I have no idea how you eat this. Sorry, I had a difficult time. That is what it looks like. It's really good, I promise. He ate this yesterday.
Delicious.
It's got
We need them in the US.
We really need them in the US, but they're a tropical fruit, sadly. So, and you eat the seeds. It's good. We have tried to go to the botanical gardens twice. This is the second time, and both times we got there right when they closed. It said on the thing 6, but every time we get there they say they close at 5. So looks like at this point in time we will not have a chance to visit the botanical garden. So currently we have had about 5 or 6 Ubers cancel on us. We're still at the Vista, even though you can't see, but no one will pick us up, so we're about to ask 2 random people in Portuguese if they will give us a ride. So wish us luck because we need it. We're stuck in the middle of a rainforest right now.
Before the cooldown run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate. Oh, dona Maria, deixa eu namorar a sua filha, vai me desculpando a ousadia. Essa menina é um desenho no céu que Deus pintou e jogou fora.